Hi there, let's talk about body today. Body itself is keha, in plural kehad. Keha, kehad. I'll start from above. The upper body is Ülakeha, Ülakeha. The head is pea, and in plural pead, pea, pead. The face is nägu, in plural näod, nägu, näod. Hair is always in plural and it's juuksed, juuksed. If you want to talk about one single hair, it's juuksekarv. Like whose hair is that? Kelle juuksekarv see on? Forehead is laup, otsmik, or sometimes otsaesine. In plural then laubad, otsmikud, otsaesised. Laup, laubad. Otsmik, otsmikud, otsaesine, otsaesised. I didn't draw those, but another word that is more often used in plural is eyebrows. Kulmud. One eyebrow would be kulm. Kulm, kulmud. Eyes are a twin organ and called silmad. One eye is silm. Silm, silmad. Most of the time people have two ears. Ears are kõrvad. One ear is kõrv. Kõrv, kõrvad. Cheeks are põsed. One cheek is põsk. Põsk, põsed. Nose is nina. In plural ninad. Nina, ninad. I draw a woman, but let's imagine she's hair cool by raw and has mustache. Vuntsid. Vuntsid. That's also in plural. In the singular, it would be vunts, and it's used only in a funny sentence. Ta on tore vunts, meaning he's a nice fellow. Literally, it means he is a nice mustache. If you really want to compliment someone's mustache, you have a nice mustache. Sul on toredad vuntsid. Sul on toredad vuntsid. Like in many other places, in Estonia, men also grow mustache in November, so we call it Movember, or just vuntsikuu, Movember, vuntsikuu. Notice it comes from the singular, otherwise it would be vuntside kuu. The beard is habe, in plural habemed. Habe, habemed. The mouth is suu, and in plural suud. Suu, suud. Teeth are hambad. One tooth is hammas. Hammas, hambad. Tongue is keel, in plural keeled. Keel, keeled. Keel has another meaning as well, the language. Throat is kurk, in plural kurgud. Kurk, kurgud. Kurk as well has another meaning, and in the grocery shop it's cucumber, but in plural it's kurgid. Kurk, kurgid. Gullet is söögitoru. Söögitoru. Nobody talks about the gullet unless it's blocked. Chin is Lõug, in plural lõuad. Lõug, lõuad. Neck is Kael, in plural kaelad. Kael, kaelad. Shoulder is õlg. Both shoulders would be õlad. Õlg, õlad. Upper arm is õlavars. Two would be õlavarred. Õlavars, õlavarred. The hand is käsi, and hands would be käed. Käsi, käed. There are two hands, kaks kätt. Right is parem and right hand is parem käsi. Parem käsi. Left is vasak and left hand is vasak käsi. Vasak käsi. Elbow is küünarnukk and in plural küünarnukid. Küünarnukk, küünarnukid. Wrist is ranne And if you talk about both wrists, then randmed. Ranne, randmed. Poolm is peopesa, in plural peopesad. Peopesa, peopesad. Fingers are sõrmed. One finger is sõrm. Sõrm, sõrmed. Different fingers have their own names. Thumb is pöial and in plural pöidlad. Pöial, pöidlad. The next one is index finger, nimetissõrm. Nimetissõrm. The middle one is keskmine sõrm. Keskmine sõrm. The fourth finger, oftentimes the wedding ring finger, is called here nimeta sõrm. Nimeta sõrm. Meaning literally the finger that doesn't have a name. And the last one is väike sõrm. Väike sõrm. If there is a need for a blood sample, oftentimes it's taken from the finger. Blood is veri. Veri. Chest is rindkere, in plural rindkered. Rindkere, rindkered. Stomach is kõht, in plural kõhud. Kõht, kõhud. Navel is naba, and in plural nabad. Naba, nabad. The back is selg, in plural seljad. Selg, seljad. The lower body is Ülakeha, Ülakeha. Hips are puusad. Usually it's used in plural, but if you have an operation, it's probably made for one hip. Üks puus. Puus, puusad. One leg is üks jalg. Both of them are jalad. Jalg, jalad. Right leg is parem jalg. Parem jalg. Left leg is vasak jalg. Vasak jalg. The body part used for sitting is called here, among other words, tagumik, and in plural, tagumikud. Tagumik, tagumikud. We have a separate term for upper leg, and it's reis, in plural, reied. Reis, reied. Reis has also another meaning, the trip, but in plural it would be reisid. Reis, reisid. The knee is põlv, and in plural põlved. Põlv, põlved. Shin is säär, and in plural sääred. Säär, sääred. If säär is in front, then sääremari is behind that, and both of them would be sääremarjad. Sääremari, sääremarjad. The heel is kand, and in plural kannad. Kand, kannad. Toes are varbad, and one toe is varvas. Varvas, varbad. Big is suur, and big toe is suur varvas. Suur varvas. Little is väike, and little toe is väike varvas. Väike varvas. That's all for today. Aitäh! Thank you so much for listening and see you next time. Bye!